That's good coffee. Hello YouTube and welcome to Kinner's Dinners. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a simple meal. It's scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs?
Scrambled eggs.
For breakfast?
For breakfast. Ugh. Now scrambled eggs as a whole are pretty easy to prepare. The real effort probably comes in the cooking process, which you have to be a little bit patient about and done at a low heat. So let's begin. What you'll need: 6 to 8 eggs, 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, butter, or in this case I have soft spread. And for my scrambled eggs, I'm going to put a little bit of chives in, 2 to 3 teaspoons to be precise. So we're going to start by breaking the eggs into a bowl. The next step is to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Now, the optional step is to add the chives. That's probably a bit more than 2 teaspoons, but who doesn't like scrambled eggs oniony? Add them to your mix. Put a little bit of salt and pepper, and using a fork, mix the batch. Yummy. Try and get the mixture just before it starts to get super foamy. Now, in a heavy base saucepan at a low to medium heat, depending on what you've got. I've got electric, so I put it between 2 and 3. Get about 30 grams of butter, or in our case, the soft spread, and place into the pan. Boom. Let that melt. And if you want, whilst that's going on, make some toast. I'd really like to get this shot. Right, once the butter's melted, get your mixture, pour it in. Now in this stage you're going to need a spoon. What you want to do is you want to leave the egg mixture to cook at the bottom of the pan. So you're probably going to want to give it 30 seconds, a minute. Once you've left it for a minute, what you want to do is just getting the spoon, start dragging it across the bottom of the pan. Just nice and slowly. Like so. Nothing too rushed. And we get these lovely little folds. And you just want to keep doing this as it slowly starts to cook. Now, once you start to get to the end of the cooking, just before it completely solidifies, take it off the heat. And don't forget to turn off your hob.
This toy keeps moving. I get angry.
Why?
It's because it gets so large.
Right, once you finish the cooking process, don't forget to plate up. Ooh. Ooh. I'm sure there's a fancy way of doing this, but I'm not very fancy, as my wife will tell me quite a lot actually. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, a very quick and easy way to make scrambled eggs in the morning. If you fancy doing it for your missus or maybe even your husband, then feel free to like and comment at the bottom of this video to tell me how much they enjoyed or didn't enjoy their scrambled eggs, as I'm probably about to find out with my kids. Thanks again. Right, Macy, Oscar, breakfast.
Doesn't like it.
What is it?
No, my apple.
You ate it. Oh, hang on a sec. Does someone like that? Please try them for Daddy.
I could, Daddy.
That's okay. Just try it.
Ow.
What do you mean, ow? Oh, hot. Come on, you're a big boy.
Bad. It's got too much. I don't.
You can use your hands for that if you want. Look, just pick it up.
So spicy.
Spicy?
Spicy.
No, it's spicy. How do you like it, Macy?
I still don't know.
Well, you better keep trying then. You've got to find out if you like it or not.
Daddy. Bus has food.
Birdhouse food. My advice, if your kids aren't used to having chive in their scrambled eggs, don't put chive in their scrambled eggs.